Next one, installation requirement. Installation requirement. Shield, so any connector cannot be used to installing the networking by using the UTP cable. The structure of this, the UTP cable is low and equipment required to installing the networking using the UTP cable is low cost, so it is easy to install. Next one is a bandwidth. This cable having 100 Mbps bandwidth, that is at a time 100 Mbps data can be transferred from source to the destination, that is a bandwidth. It is also called as a capacity of the UTP cable, that is a bandwidth. Next one, attenuation. Attenuation means how much a signal is weakened from source to the destination, that is called as a attenuation. And attenuation, it is low in the cable, that is up to the 100 meter. Up to the 100 meter attenuation can be created because there is no shield, so the data can be weakened from the one source to the destination. Attenuation means how much signal is weakened from source to the destination. Up to 100 meter, this UTP cable can be work out 100 Mbps data at a time, but beyond that the limit, it creates the attenuation. Next one is EMI. EMI means electromagnetic interference, and this EMI can be occur in UTP cable. That is, this cable is the highest sensitivity to the EMI. Why? Because in this the cable, the shield like the STP cable is not provided, so electromagnetic noise can be disturb the data transmission in that the cable. That is, EMI can be occur in a this the UTP cable. In a board examination, there is a question will be asked, dash dash cable is the highest sensitivity to the EMI. That is, UTP cable is the highest sensitivity to the EMI. That is the characteristics of the UTP cable. When there is a question will be asked, explain UTP cable, then you give the UTP cable introduction, draw this diagram, explain the construction of this the UTP cable, and write the characteristics of that the UTP cable. That is a cost of low, installation easily. Next, by using this the cable, low cost equipment can be used, so it is easy to install. Bandwidth 100 Mbps bandwidth. Attenuation is created up to the 100 meter. Beyond when we use this the UTP cable, beyond that the 100 meter, the attenuation can be created. EMI, highest sensitivity to the EMI. Next cable is a STP, that is a shielded twisted pair of the cable. Construction, that is, first here is also one or more than one cable are twisted with each other. That is a two twisted pair of the cable. This cable can be enclosed in a shield which is made up of a metallic foil or copper oven. This shield, and this shield can be placed in a plastic jacket. Okay. The one point of this the shielding is given to the ground reference. That is the construction of the STP cable. In this the STP cable, mostly important part is the shield is provided. But in a UTP cable, there is no shield. Two cables are placed in a plastic jacket. But in a STP cable, one or more than the cable or two cables, two pair of the cables, which is placed in a shield, and this shield is made up of a oven copper or copper metal. This conductor also the made up of the copper metal, and this shield can be again placed or this shield can be wrapped by using the plastic jacket for the protection. That is a construction of shielded twisted pair of the cable. Here also we discuss the characteristics of the STP. What is the characteristics of the STP cable? The STP cable, again each and every cable can be explained by its the characteristics. Characteristics of the STP cable: first, cost. Cost of this the cable is greater or the high because there is a shield provided around that the conductor. The cost of STP cable is greater than the UTP cable because of this the shield. Next, installation requirement. It is difficult to install the network as compared to the UTP. Why it is difficult? Because there is a shield. So, skilled labor can be required to installation of networking by using the STP, and the cost of the installation is also greater by using STP because there are the different types of the connectors can be used to connect the cable. Next, characteristics is a bandwidth. It is having also the 100 Mbps, but practically it is a up to the 500 Mbps data can be transmit at a time using that the STP. That is, bandwidth of the STP cable is greater than the UTP. In this the UTP 100 Mbps per second data can be transmitted, but in STP there is a theoretically 500 up to the 500 Mbps data transmit at a time by using the STP. Next, fourth characteristics, attenuation. Attenuation, it is nothing but measuring how much signal we come from source to the destination. Up to the 100 meter, it also cannot be provide the attenuation or cannot be create the attenuation. Up to 100 meter. Okay, and last characteristics is EMI, that is electromagnetic interference. And in this the STP cable, there is a less sensitivity to the EMI. Why it is a less sensitivity to the EMI? Because these cables or twisting pair of the cable wrapped by using the shield. So it can be avoid the EMI. Environmental effect or electromagnetic interference, electromagnetic noise, environmental noise cannot be picked up by this the cable because this cable can be wrapped in a shield. So it avoid the mixing of that the signal or interfering of the signal in that the cable. So it is a less sensitivity to the EMI as compared to the UTP cable. When in a board examination, when there is a question will be asked, explain STP, that is shielded twisted of the pair cable, then you give the information about the shielded twisted pair of the cable, draw this the diagram. After that, explain the component of this the STP cables, and next explain is the 5 measuring characteristics of the STP cable. Okay, next we discuss the difference between STP and UTP in a next lecture. Okay.